You can quickly, safely and hygienically cut potatoes, vegetables and fruits into pieces with a minimum size of 30mm using this machine. The apple calister is specially designed to handle wet products. It is the best machine for your pre-sizing operation. Due to the unique design of the clamp, it carefully removes dust or water that could affect the system's operation. Calister is the quietest, most reliable and product-friendly sorting machine on the market. The world's most advanced electronic carrot sorter, with a capacity of up to 10 tons per hour. Have you heard about it? Bread and dough, making line to produce a variety of perfectly fried and coated products. Includes a pre-dough sweeper, dough beater, bread maker, and fryer. And the integrated line makes controlling dough levels and taking out bread a breeze. Have you ever imagined that your favorite meat skewers could be produced by a modern robot system? With this robotic system, straight skewers are dropped into a box to be sent to you. Even when we are talking about a simple dish like hamburger meat, there is still an opportunity to show creativity and culinary skills. From choosing the type of meat and spices to how to prepare hamburgers. Tray sealing machine leather packaging plays an essential role in preparing ready meals. Thanks to the leather packaging tray sealer, preparing ready meals becomes quick, convenient, and cost-effective. Your meal will be beautifully presented on the tray. Manual potato and vegetable peeler is an extremely useful kitchen tool for women. Dear housewives, say goodbye to the days of hand pain and eye strain from keep learning, keep growing, and we will see you in the next episode.